Hey there, pig lovers, welcome back to Pig Farming Jamaica 876 and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you are new, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy our videos. We got to deliver today for some things. So go on the full coop. It's looking amazing over there. Alright guys, so we bought 15 new wieners today. This is how they are looking inside. Obviously they are mixed. We have some Duroc.
Oh, then the fight that who can then come from? That's that one there.
Which
in
one?
round. See?
Oh.
We have little eye. They must not like it. Is it them big?
They look nice.
That's it, nice.
I like the one there, the brown one there. Full brown.
Full brown. How man?
So let us know what you guys think about them.
See that one, woman?
Yeah.
Not a pretty woman, it's spotted.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be going over here now to show you guys the newborn piglets. They are looking super nice, guys. I love them. They as well are mixed breed. Those are them. Or two bran, yeah, or two male pigs fight. Let me see if I can show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the bran. Like, we're gonna get rid of this board because he's just doing too much. Okay guys, so we already have a next bran that's on service, so we no longer need him. Yeah guys, so the brown bran, I think, get out, and I don't even know how they start fighting, and they cut the brown bran up so bad that again guys, we're gonna have to get rid of him, whether sell him or butcher him, because he's getting too bad for us right now. I'm gonna show you how the brown bran cut is looking. So we're gonna have to dress him up, guys, with green powder. I'm gonna show you that in a short while. We also wean this one piglet. I'm gonna show you them. And there goes her 4 piglets, weaned off, looking healthy and nice. Once they put on that their weight, then we're gonna definitely start selling them. So in here we have 1 female and 3 males. But yeah guys, those are them. And guys, I'm not sure if I told you that we're probably gonna have to butcher this one as well, because she took one about 4 times and she is still not pregnant. So we think that she is barren. Yeah, I think that she is barren, so we're gonna butcher her sometime this week, the next week, or probably sell her. So yeah, that's all the information I have for you guys today. Don't forget that if you like the video, you should give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, drop it in the comment section below. And if you enjoy watching our channel and you want to support us, give us a subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching once more, and I'll see you in my next video.